In this video, we will see the untold inventions and discoveries of Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskara, also known as Bhaskaracharya meaning Bhaskara, the teacher, was an Indian mathematician and astronomer who lived between the years 1114 and 1185 CE. He made significant contributions to the fields of mathematics and astronomy, and his works had a lasting impact on these fields. Here are some facts about Bhaskaracharya. Discovery of gravity. Bhaskaracharya was the first to discover gravity, 500 years before Sir Isaac Newton. Bhaskaracharya wrote Siddhanta Shiromani in 1150 when he was 36 years old. The work is composed in Sanskrit language in 1450 verses. Earth rotation time. Bhaskaracharya, in his treatise Surya Siddhanta, calculated the time taken for the Earth to orbit the Sun to 9 decimal places 365.258756484 days. Bhaskaracharya rightly calculated the time taken by the Earth to orbit the Sun hundreds of years before the astronomer Smart. His calculations was time taken by Earth to orbit the Sun. 5th century 365.258756484 days. Today's accepted measurement is 365.2564 days. Therefore, assuming that today's figures are correct, it means that Bhaskaracharya was off by only 0.0002%. Arithmetic and algebra. Bhaskaracharya's major work was the Siddhanta Shiromani, which is divided into 4 parts: Lilavati arithmetic, Bijaganita algebra, Golodhyaya sphere, and Grahyaganita mathematics of planets. Lilavati, the first part of Siddhanta Shiromani, is a book on arithmetic and contains several mathematical problems and their solutions. It is said that Bhaskaracharya wrote this book to teach his daughter, Lilavati, mathematics. Bhaskaracharya made significant contributions to the field of algebra. His work Bijaganita deals with algebra and contains several rules for solving algebraic equations, including the famous rule of negative roots. Calculus. Bhaskaracharya is also known for his work on calculus, including the concept of differentiation and integration, which he developed more than 300 years before the European mathematicians Leibniz and Newton. Trigonometry. Bhaskaracharya made significant contributions to trigonometry, including the first use of the sine and cosine functions. He also developed several trigonometric identities, including the sin 2x plus cos 2x equals sine 1 identity. Infinity. Bhaskaracharya was one of the first mathematicians to use the concept of infinity in his calculations. He also developed a method for expressing large numbers using powers of 10. Calendar. Bhaskaracharya developed a calendar system known as the Vikram Samvat, which is still used in parts of India today.